Hello friends, welcome to Raw Solution. It is a new series of video and we will try to learn programming language. From today we will start a new journey of programming. In first class we will try to explain what is actually programming. In today's world we already have listened in various field lots of programming. There TV ads or mobile ads and all are trying to teach you programming. So, it is a video series by which we will go all together to learn about the programming. So, first we will try to understand what is programming. We all have heard about the computer programming gaining a lot popularity in last 3 decades. And so many students by knowing this, by seeing this are impressed. Nowadays want to opt for a computer science subject in order to get a great job, or I can say their dream job at Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple and whatnot. So, first we will try what is programming. Programming, the term programming in dictionary, according to dictionary we may define the term programming as the instruct, as to instruct, by way to instruct the computer to perform various tasks. So, programming is a technique by which we can instruct computer to do something. That thing is programming. That thing is programming. But don't be confusing. Don't get confusing. I will try to explain my level best by the term how to instruct, how should we instruct computer to perform certain task, to perform a new task. So, here it is a two word. First word is to instruct the computer, actually it is the phrase, not a word. To instruct the computer, this basically means that you provide the computer a set of instruction that are written in a language that computer can understand. Actually, language is the medium. Language is the medium by which we can express ourselves to others. We use Bengali language, English language, Hindi language or etc. etc. There are lots of language around the world, thousands of language around the world that used by the human beings according to their region. So, here in one side is a human being and in other side is a machine. So, there must be a special type of language by which we can instruct computer to do something. The instruction could be of various type, that may be either to add some numbers, rounding of some numbers or etc. Just like us, we can understand a few language like French, English, German, Japanese, Mandarin, etc. So, is the case with the computer. Computer understand instruction that are written in a specific language and that language is known as the computer language. That language is known as the computer language. And the other term, the to perform various tasks, Then what are those types of tasks? The task could be a simple one, just like to discuss before adding, just like we have discussed already, adding two numbers or rounding of a numbers, or it may be too complex ones which may involve sequence of multiple instruction, DNA analysis or space analysis or various type of instruction, various type of task that should perform by the computer. So, in our example we can calculate simple interest or given from the given principle, rate and time, or we can calculate average to return a stock over last 5 years. There are lots of various types of calculation that we want from computer, to analyze from computer, and this kind of tasks are performed by the computer. So, now So now we don't need to have learn everything. We don't need to learn everything, but if we want to discover something, if we want to add something new, if we want to customize our demand, then we must know about coding, we must know about programming. You must be wondering, why does one need to computer for adding or rounding a number, or even for simple interest calculation? After all, even an 8th standard kid can easily do these things, these such things over a large number. Then what is programming used for? What benefits do computer offer? Exactly. So we, those things, those calculation or those parts of things we can do manually, then why should we need computer? Yes, computers offer so many benefits. Just like computers are too fast, computers are too fast. Not only fast, it is perfect, it is right. If we put inputs in right order, then it will generate the output correctly and obviously fast. Computers are amazingly fast. If you could know how to properly utilize the power of computer programming, you can do wondering with it. For a typical computer, today's computer time, it complete its operation in nanosecond. Can you imagine nanosecond? Nanosecond means thousands part of a seconds. That means 1 second, that is 1 second, a computer can perform billions of addition, billions of subtraction, billions of multiplication, or lots of things. So it is too fast. Computers are cheap, but wait, how can we say the computer is cheap? Computer is not too cheap nowadays, but with respect to its work, with it can do 100 of people's job in a minute, in a second. So in respect to work, amount of work it will done, it is cheap. We can do more perfectly all the kaj, all the do's, all the works, everything. Computer can work round the clock. That means it is the machine. It is the machine. If we provide power supply, then it can work 24/7 without getting exhausted. Human beings exhausted after some time. Human beings want to take a break, but computers not. So if you have a task that is big enough, you can without worries allocate it to computer by programming and sleep peacefully. So I think now you are quite understand that the computer can do everything. Computer can do everything for us. Now we will try to explain what is programming language. As mentioned above, computers understand instructions that are written in a specific syntactical form called a programming language. That means if we want to work with a computer, then we must have to provide some set of instruction. By following them, computer can do all the things, and those set of instruction in a well defined manner, in a syntactical manner, is called a programming language. A programming language provides a way for a programmer that do the program to express a task so that it could be understood and executed by a computer. So programmer is a person who can program. That means who quite aware about the programming language, about the intermediate level of human beings and computers, and it perform all the tasks. It programmer do all the instructions. It could be understood and executed by the computer. Some of the popular programming language are Python, C, C++, Java, and lots of programming languages are there. Now, why should you learn computer programming? There are lots of softwares are available in a market and we can use them. Lots of those, many of those are free too. So why should we learn programming? Yes, if we want to custom our software, if we want to make our own software, then we must learn programming. Programming is a fun, it is a creating job. So using programming you can create your own games, you can create your own blog profile, a social networking site like Facebook, and a search engine like Google, and e-commerce site like Amazon. So it is very important to learn, it is very fun to learn the programming. The backbone of technology company is a programming. So in today's world there are lots of companies that are technology enabled, and it is the programming that is the backbone of the of those companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Apple's, etc. And it provide also a pretty good salary for our future. Computer programmers are paid extremely well almost all across the world. Top programmers in Silicon Valley make millions of dollars every year. Quite a few companies offer to start programmer salary as high as 1 million per year. So it is amazing, it is attractive, it is a new field of job by which we can cheerful our future. So all of you are welcome in a new journey of learning. Let's learn together with the Rolf solution. So if you like the video, then please like, subscribe our channel, and make a journey with us. Thank you. Welcome again.